1997 Toyota Camry V6. Pretty much any starter that has this cover on it like this, you can go ahead and replace the contacts. Denso, Nippon Denso, Toyota remanufactured starter already. Got some nice new shiny contacts in there. A 14mm nut, washer, black piece, then an O-ring, and this black square piece in here, and then you got your new bits in there. It's much the same. I did a video for Chrysler replacing the contacts, and there's plenty of contact videos out there. So I might have one piece together here. Nice new shiny plunger. Cleaned up the contacts with a wire brush. Plunger just goes right back in there. You see how it works? .7mm bolts. Hold the cover on. 12mm nut. Wire, 14mm nut. Black round spacer. Then an O-ring. And the black square on the inside. When you're putting this side together, this has actually got a little notch in it, so make sure the notch fits in the little hole on the casing. We can tighten up the 14mm bolt. Tighten that up.